In the last video you saw that we are getting this error after running this process. Now in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. Now to fix this issue we have to use wait stage. Click OK. Issue is, when we are running this process, first it is launching this application, and after launching it is trying to put the staff number and password, but at that time this application was not loaded. So as this application not loaded, so it is unable to type these details here, so it is throwing an error. So in this scenario we have to use wait stage, so that we can tell Blue Prism to wait for some time. Now let me close that, reset this, and as you know that this launch is working fine. We are just getting issue in this login part, and this is action stage. So right click on this and click on view action in Object Studio, because we cannot use wait stage in the process. We have to use that wait stage in the Object Studio, because we are going to interact with the application. So just drag and drop this wait stage, and you can see here wait stage comes with a two part, wait and timeout. There are two types of wait: conditional wait, second unconditional wait. It means one in which we can write the condition, and based on the condition it will wait there. Second, that is unconditional. It means without any condition we can use that as a static. Wait stage enables business objects to pause and wait for an application to load or a condition to be met before moving to next stage. Wait stage is used to pause and wait for an application to load when an application or element doesn't load due to the network issue or application not responding. You will have seen sometime what happens, we open, will launch any application, and that time due to the internet issue or network issue or application not responding issue, it takes some time, right? So in this type of scenario we can use wait stage. It can only be used in the Object Studio, not in the Process Studio, as I have already told you. Two types of wait without condition, it means unconditional. One, throttle wait, and second, unconditional wait. When we add unconditional, or you can say a static wait, at the beginning of the every action page is called throttle wait. Throttle wait is used to give some time to system before interacting with an application to avoid any error. Basically this is not required in our application. If you face a scenario where you have to first give some time to your bot, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and then you want to launch that application or that browser, so you can use that throttle wait there. Wait stage without any condition is called unconditional wait, and it will pause your workflow till the given time. If we will say 5 minutes, so your bot will always wait for 5 minutes in that scenario. Now conditional wait, or you can say dynamic wait. Wait stage with condition is conditional wait, or you can say dynamic wait. It means if you are applying any condition to the wait stage, that is called conditional wait, or you can say dynamic wait. It is used to check whether a certain application or element exists before moving to next step. In the wait condition we can apply multiple conditions there, and if conditions are not met, it goes to the timeout. And the best practice to use conditional wait is always use conditional wait stage at start of every action that interact with an application and requires some time to complete the action. Sometimes you have seen that if we'll take this example of our login button, after putting the value in the staff number and password, once you click on login, it will go to the next window. So in that type of scenario we can use this conditional, because after that another window will be opened. So we have to always check that that window is opened or not. Or if you are taking launch, so after launching this application, you can also see, you can also check that login window is exist or not. So let me show you practically all these things, how to apply throttle weight, static weight and dynamic weight. So in this example, if we are launching this application, if we launch from here, reset this, launch this. So it is taking some time, it is initializing, updating the profile and then it is opening, right. So here we can do two things here, either we can apply unconditional weight or we can apply conditional weight. You can also apply throttle, not in the launch because here we do not require that, but in the login what I can do, once this launch is executed, here I can take that one, I can delete this and I can take this one, double click on that and I can change the name here like throttle. This is throttle weight and throttle timeout, right. Link with this. Now if we will calculate the time here, if we will launch this one, and you will see after executing this one, it is taking around 5 seconds to open that one, right. So what we can do, in the login, double click on this throttle weight and in the timeout here we have by default 5 seconds here. You can apply this also. Let's change, reset this and save this. Now go to the Process Studio, click on refresh. Now reset this and run this, and now you see here it will launch that and then Blue Prism will wait for 5 seconds and then it will enter the data, right. So here you can see this process has been successfully completed because we added there 5 seconds of throttle time. You can also put that wait stage here after launching, so that will also resolve your issue. You can see here. So this is unconditional wait and we are using this wait at the beginning of this one, this action page. So this is called throttle. Here you can see we are passing 5 seconds, but what will happen if application didn't load due to heavy uses of this application, or that application not responding, then that time again you will be getting error. What you can do, instead of doing that one, you can take this as a conditional wait, wait for login window. I am writing here. And now in this scenario, to write the condition, we have to first find out the element. So this is the element that we have here. This is the login one. You remember last time if I highlight this, it is showing this is the login window. Let me put here the name, correct name, login window, apply this. So this is the login window. I already have this one. So I will take the same login window here in the element and I will take the condition check exist. So if login window exists and the timeout is 5 seconds, if exists, then link this node with this one, right. Now in this scenario, what will happen? Let me first do like this. So in this scenario, what will happen? After launching this application, it will come and check that this login window is exist or not. If not, it will wait for 5 seconds, and once If that is loaded, it will go to the next stage. If within 5 seconds, if your application didn't load, then it will go to the timeout, and after that again it will go to the type staff number and password. But again, if it didn't load in within 5 seconds, then there will be again one error. So in this scenario, what we can do, so if you think that it will take 5 seconds, I will suggest always use here 30 seconds. There is no issue here. If your application loaded and this element found, then this will go to the next stage. If no, if still this is not loaded, then it will wait for 30 seconds. So there is no problem with that. Always overestimate, not underestimate. So here, put here 30 seconds, click OK, close this, save this, conditional wait applied, go to the Process Studio, reset that and run this one. So once this is loaded, it will directly type and then it will close that one.